Now is your chance to purchase a commercial office complex in Pettis County, Missouri, selling on our Unreserved online auction April 12, 2022. This commercial building has much to offer. Located inside Sedalia, Missouri city limits, it is currently separated into two offices. One is wide open and the other is currently set up for a medical office with a break room, storage, and multiple exam rooms. This auction will include all of the equipment. Some of the equipment includes examining tables, desks, chairs, computer equipment, and much more. This is an opportunity to own an approximately 2,700 square foot commercial building with major highway frontage in the fast-growing Sedalia area. Bidding opens March 29th and ends April 12th, 2022 at 10 a.m. We will be on site for the auction and the open house. Plan to attend. The details are listed below. For more information, contact listing agents Justin Hubbs and Gage Solbeamer.